Guys, welcome back to MLZ Productions, episode 3. I'm Michael, this is Lane if you're new to the channel. So today, we're going to be doing a paper airplane challenge, so I'll let Lane explain it.
Okay, so we're pretty much going to be each 3 minutes, we're going to be making our paper airplanes in 3 minutes, and then it's kind of windy today, so we're going to see which direction the wind is blowing, throw it in the opposite direction, see who can make the paper airplane go the farthest. And we are not looking up designs, no designs, nothing. We're going to see who can make the better one. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, let's get into the video. How's the wind going?
Let's see. I'm going to do the pro hacker test.
Okay, yeah, go with that. Ooh, which way is it going?
Let's say it's going this way.
It's coming from that way?
I think
Here, let's just
it's
test.
going about northeast.
Let's just test. Oh, yeah, I think so. Let's do it again. Let's do it
My
again.
forecast was about right.
Yeah, your forecast is pretty good, so that means you gotta throw it this way. Wait, well, here's Michael. Let's throw. Okay, Michael, I say we throw from about. I'm gonna mark it down. Right there.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, so we gotta throw from that spot. And obstacle, if you hit a tree or something, that's your fault. You're gonna see who can throw the farthest. You cannot step above that line, okay?
You can step on it.
Yeah.
Alright. It's all about the technique.
It's all about the technique. Okay, let's
You know what they
let's see.
say? It's not about the driver, it's about the car.
Okay.
JK, dude. It's not about the car, it's about the driver.
Yeah, okay. That's
Just
what
like
the plane.
it's not about the plane, it's about the pilot.
Okay. Okay, leave your stuff there. Okay, here, film me, film mine. Okay, ready? Hey, where's the marking? That was a fail.
Oh, and look who won. Look who won. Lane's plane just stomped on. My plane looking insane. I don't know why I just stomped on it because we're doing more tests.
Oh, wait, we are?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What the second test is going to be? You just demonstrate? Yeah, so can you demonstrate for us? That's a little bit inappropriate, Michael, for our channel. I don't think you should say that. I think you should say, what the fudge? Okay, here, Michael, show us what we're going to be doing.
We're going to be jumping
Don't actually throw it, because I don't want to hop
as
off.
high as we can.
Okay.
And then just launching these things.
I thought you actually threw it for a second. Okay, so, you want to go first, Michael?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here. Let me get in sync with
guys.
you. Let me get in sync. Let me get in behind you. Here we go. So Michael's gonna do the curveball style. He's gonna be doing a flip and then
Guys,
throwing it.
I'm not really going for the distance. I'm really just going for the style points right here. Ready for it?
Whoa, where did I even go? Oh, I hit the tree. That was a mega fail because I'm about to get way past that. Okay, ready? Okay,
My plane
I'll do just behind the back.
right there. Lane's going for the behind the. Oh!
Too easy.
You did not just do that, bro.
Too easy, guys.
You did not.
So that means you have to have
a
a final test. So Michael, what should our final test be?
I said our final test should be no air time. We're gonna throw it as far as we can in the air, time it, see how long it takes it to come back down.
Okay.
So,
Sounds good. Okay,
right
let's
into
get
the video.
into the final and third test. Wait, I just said it the other way. Okay.
Are you ready, Lane?
I'm pretty ready.
Tell me when.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1.
You got about I didn't quite stop the timer, but you got about 3.5 seconds. So, Lane's got 3.5. Let's see what my plane can get. That's a skyrocket.
Okay, here, I'm gonna get back a little bit so I can get the full picture. Okay.
I'm ready, bro.
Yep, give it your best shot. Michael just hit 3 seconds. So, what does that mean, Michael?
He's on the loser.
Yeah, it means you're a loser. Trash. You're trash, kid. Okay, is it time to finish the video, Michael?
I think so. Okay, as you can see, Lane here won. Unfortunately, I mean, second trial, I won in style points. So.
True. Well, no,
Comment
I did
below the winner.
I did
below
do the
winner.
backwards throw. That was pretty fire, though. The backwards throw.
But the flip throw, just can't compete with that.
I like the backwards throw better.
You know, they say stats don't lie. So Lane did win this challenge, but next challenge we do them. Coming for me. You hear that, bro?
Yep. Okay.
Coming
So,
for you.
subscribe, hit the bell, do the bell noise, Michael.
Bring, bring. Hit the
Okay.
bell.
And that's pretty much it. So.
Thanks for watching.